how to fix this phone number cannot be used for verification. So if you want to fix this phone number cannot be used for the verification purposes, then what you need to do is you just need to simply remove your phone number from your previous account. So to do that, you need to open up your Google application and go with the top right, which has that profile option, and select your Google account in which you have added that phone number. So you just need to simply go with the account, and after that go with the profile again, which is on the top right. Tap on manage your Google account, and here you need to go with personal info. Under personal info, scroll down and you will have the phone number option. Tap on phone number, and from here you need to remove the phone number that you are facing the problem with. So just go with the phone number and then go with delete, which will be on the top right. Tap on delete and then tap on remove number, and the phone number will be removed. Once you've removed the phone number, then you can go back to the page in which you are facing the problem, and now your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix this phone number cannot be used for the verification purposes. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.